Hello! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Pro watch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist. Secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So the first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the screen to open the menu, and in the menu you should see the option called heart. Tap on it to open the heart rate widget. Now I'm gonna place the finger on the sensor, and the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. For some reason it was detecting the heart rate before I placed the finger on the sensor, so I don't believe this sensor is too good, but the number will jump around because it's measuring the heart rate in real time. And once this number stabilizes a little, it's not jumping as much around, it should be your current heart rate. So let's wait a couple seconds. Okay, it looks like it's around 102. And once you're done measuring the heart rate, you can press the side button a couple times to go back to watch face. Oh, it's still climbing, as you can see. Anyway, that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.